So the question is, how are some TikTok shop sellers and affiliate creators making so much revenue when the rest of the community, in fact, the majority of the community, is barely scraping the bottom of the barrel? Well, in truth, you need a competitive advantage. You need an edge over and above the rest of your competitors. But what could that edge be? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a very powerful AI tool, which is called Kalo Data, which is absolutely perfect if you're someone that enjoys looking through insights and going through information that works right now. Real big data that you can use to inform your decisions on where to go and how to move next when it comes to product selection for dropshipping purposes, when it comes to researching products that you are going to sell as an affiliate, when it comes to researching products that you're going to sell on Shopify, and whatever platform it is that your e-commerce landscape runs within. My name is Victor. If you're new here, I'm a former project manager within the digital marketing space. And in these types of videos, I use my years of experience working with dozens of different brands to break down strategies that are working within the e-commerce niche, more especially dropshipping, TikTok shop affiliate marketing, AI, etc., and break it all down into easily digestible information I hope that you can use to inform your plans and your strategy going forward. And if that sounds good to you, there's a subscribe button somewhere on the screen. But not gonna spend too much time on the intro here. So this is a tool that we are going to be looking at. So what to look forward to in this video, I'm going to walk you through all the different sections that you're going to see once you go into Kalo Data. There is a link in the description if you want to follow how you can use the information that's presented to you within these different sections. And we're also going to walk you through some various ways of how you can get Kalo Data to bring forward the information that you're looking for in the period that you're looking for as well. So you're not just looking at what they're presenting, but you're just manipulating and playing around, filtering and making sure that you're getting the information that's relevant for your specific period of. Really excited as well to show you the filters section within Kalo Data, which I think is where the real power is. I'm going to circle to that at some point later on in the video. To start off with, we're going to look at the explore page, which is where you'll most likely land. And once you go into Kalo Data, and what you're going to be facing here is how to use Kalo Data. So a little knowledge base section there, which I believe links to Notion, and it walks you through there how to get started. But we're not going to go through all of that just now. But really useful competitors list, hot videos, brand strategy, affiliate creators, hot lives. All of this is Kalo Data themselves telling you, look, this is how you can get this information from our platform. You can check that out if you wish. One of my favorite sections is the one that we're looking at next, which is hot selling ranking. I can't speak for some reason. And this is where you can see what's currently selling really well and within the marketplace, mainly focusing on TikTok shop. But again, looking at the size of TikTok shop and the TikTok shop community, obviously a huge giant in the marketplace at the moment. So the data that you are going to get from TikTok shop kind of informs a significant part of everyone and the landscape, how things are going now for them and how things are going to be going in future in terms of demand, supply, and so forth. If you are finding value, by the way, there's a like button or a hype button somewhere that you can press. Really appreciate it. It means more people get to see videos like this. And let me know, why did you click on this video? What are you struggling with? What's your goals for 2025, 2026 when it comes to AI, dropshipping, e-commerce, and so forth? I'd love to read what you guys put down there. We're going to circle back into hot selling rankings in just a minute. We've also got Kalo Data Academy, very similar to the how-to section at the top. Obviously, they walk you through how to get the most out of that platform. There, you've got 3 tips to connect with your audience and take live, the power of TikTok. If I click on that, I'm not really gone into those sections before, but yeah, they redirect you to their additional extended knowledge base here, which is really useful. Again, one to delve into once you've got a bit more time. And if you'd like me to look at that information a bit more in a future presentation as well, let me know in the comments and condense it and see how we can get the most of what they're presenting to us here. And this is overall pretty much all you're going to see on the main explore page on Kalo Data. Now we're going to get into the more the nitty-gritties, the more exciting parts, at least that's what a nerd like me thinks. So what I want to do now is going to go through these different categories here, these different tabs here. Sorry, you've got category, shop, creator, product, video and ad, and live stream. I'm going to walk you through each and every one of them, not in too much detail that is too exhaustive, just hopefully enough for you to understand what you're looking at, how you can manipulate it, and how you can read that information to inform decisions that you're making on what products to sell, what affiliates to work with, dropshipping and so forth, e-commerce, etc. So let's start with hot selling ranking product. Straight away here, what you can see, you can tell that this is the #1 product that is currently being sold on the US market of TikTok shop. This is the US version, by the way, of Kalo Data. If I click on the drop down in the top left there, you'll see all the different countries where it's available, aligning with all the different countries where TikTok shop is. I think it's accessible because it's not available everywhere. I'm based in the United Kingdom, but because the US is such a large larger market, I always like to look into that data to see what's working over the pond. But if you'd like me in a future video to focus more on the United Kingdom market and what's happening here, which by the way, we are very active on TikTok Shop here as well, but a lot of my audience tend to come from the United States, which is why I tend to focus on that area. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to focus a little bit more on the UK in a future video. Goalie products, big store, they're very consistent, they're doing very well currently. We can also see Pet Pivot. I've done a video on them recently. They're also absolutely smashing it, most especially because of how much the price of the product is, and they don't have to sell a lot of units. For example, if you look at the Golai gummies or whatever they are, they currently retail or sell at around $30 per unit, which is fair enough. That's sitting within your impulse range of people scrolling through TikTok and buying it, but they've got to sell a lot of those to make that 3.4 million in revenue. 101,056 units had to be sold. But if you look at Pet Pivot, which is just one of my favorite case studies recently, they made 2.8 million, fair enough, not as much as 3, but they only sold 16.4k units in order to do that. Just goes to show the power of pricing, premium pricing your products, but also you have to equal the value. Obviously, you have to sell a product that is equal to that price, but not going to go into the weeds here, but it's just something that I wanted to highlight. Now, what's also worth noting here, if you look where it's got top products, you can see some dates. It says on here from the 10th of October to the 11th, 10th of October to the 8th of November. The dates are in reverse for some reason. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it's a dating format that their developers use, but this is, at the time of recording this video, 30 days up until yesterday, because today is the 9th of November. So this is another way, again, you can filter the information that you are looking at. All these results are for the last 30 days, but you can filter it the last 7 days, the last day, the last 90 days, and so forth. We're going to circle back to that a bit later in the video. But carrying on, Pet Pivot, we've got this affordable glass glow. It looks like a makeup product. Obviously, makeup is a huge industry, both within e-commerce and outside of e-commerce. So it's no surprise that they're inhabiting these top spots as well here. Clicking on more rankings, just below that, you might not, in some cases, you might not necessarily be interested in what products are the best-selling products currently. For example, you might be a manufacturer, you might be a brand that creates your own products. You might be a mom at home creating your own soaps, painting your own canvases, creating your own toys, and so forth. So you're not necessarily looking at what products are selling currently, even though it is important and useful to know. But you might want to know other metrics, such as who are the top creators currently. You might not want to create your own videos to promote your products. You might be looking at what TikTok Shop affiliates you can partner with for them to create these videos, sell your products, share some of cut of the revenue in the form of commission, and you get the rest as your revenue. And this is where Kalo data shines. They obviously, for the same 30-day period, you can see who is doing very well in terms of top creators. You've also got top shops as well. So you might be a seller wanting to know what the landscape looks like in terms of competition, who's doing well at the moment, who's not, and get an idea of what the landscape looks like. We've got top video and ads as well. As a seller, you might be interested in, what's currently working in terms of putting together a video ad package, a nice video that you can upload onto TikTok and see what the response is like, what videos are doing well for this particular product. This is broken down by the actual video. You can see the AI script here as well, which is really useful because it extracts the script of the actual video. And once you've done that, to continue with the rest of the video, click here. You can find a link to the full tutorial by heading to the description below. You'll also find links to my favorite AI tools. Head over to my website, vlcmediabiz.com, where you'll find a bunch of free AI courses for serious business inquiries. You can drop me an email. Also, drop a comment if you found this video helpful.